Namaste, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's so close to my heart, making your home a reflection of you, even amidst the beautiful chaos of life as a housewife. You know, a home should always feel like a warm hug, a place where you can relax and recharge. And sometimes all it takes is a little sprucing up, a touch of love, to make it feel brand new. So whether you're looking to refresh your entire home, or just add a little personality to a corner, stick around. I've got some simple yet effective styling tips that every housewife will find useful. Let's get started. Let's be honest, ladies. Sometimes the most overwhelming part of styling is knowing where to begin. And often, the answer is simpler than you think: decluttering. It might sound tedious, but trust me, it's like therapy for your home. Start small. Pick a drawer, a shelf, or even just a corner of a room. As you start clearing out the clutter, you'll be amazed at how much lighter and brighter the space feels already. Now, organizing isn't about making everything picture perfect. It's about creating a system that works for you and your family. Think practical storage solutions, baskets for toys, tiered trays for spices, hooks for everyday items. Remember those beautiful saris you've been saving? Don't hide them away. Use them as throws on furniture or even frame smaller pieces as wall art. It's about celebrating your style. And don't be afraid to get the whole family involved. Put on some music, make it fun, and teach your little ones the importance of tidying up. Decluttering and organizing create a clean slate, a blank canvas for you to then add your personal touch to. And that's where the fun really begins. There's something truly magical about bringing the outdoors in. Plants and greenery instantly breathe life into any space, don't you think? And you don't need a green thumb to enjoy their benefits. Start with low-maintenance options like snake plants, money trees, or even some beautiful succulents. Place a few potted plants on your windowsills to catch the morning light. Not only do they add a pop of color, but they also purify the air, making your home feel fresher. Create a little herb garden in your kitchen. Imagine fresh mint for your evening chai or coriander for your delicious curries. All right at your fingertips. If you have a larger living space, consider a statement plant like a fiddle leaf fig or a monstera. They add a touch of drama and instantly elevate the style quotient of your room. Remember, caring for plants is therapeutic. It teaches patience and responsibility, values we want to instill in our children as well. So add a touch of green, nurture it, and watch your home transform into a vibrant, happy space. Now, let's talk about adding that personal touch, that cozy factor that makes your house a home. And for me, nothing says comfort quite like soft cushions and warm throws. Think of cushions and throws as accessories for your furniture. They can instantly brighten up a sofa, add a pop of color to your bed, or even make a simple chair feel more inviting. Don't be afraid to mix and match patterns and textures. Try pairing a bold floral cushion with a textured solid throw, or go for a more traditional look with embroidered cushions in rich colors. Remember those beautiful fabrics you've collected over the years? Maybe a silk cerise from your wedding, or a vibrant dupatta gifted by your mother. Repurpose them. Turn them into cushion covers or throws. It's a beautiful way to showcase memories and add a personal touch to your decor. Drape a cozy throw over the arm of your sofa, inviting everyone to snuggle in for movie night. Scatter a few cushions on the floor to create a relaxed seating area for those impromptu chai time conversations. It's these little details that make a world of difference. They invite you to relax, unwind, and truly make yourself at home. In the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, it's important to carve out a little space for ourselves, a quiet corner where we can escape with a good book and a cup of chai. Creating a cozy reading nook doesn't require a lot of space. It could be a corner in your bedroom, a comfy chair on your balcony, or even just a spot on the floor by the window. Start with comfortable seating. A plush armchair, a daybed piled high with cushions, or even a large beanbag will do the trick. Good lighting is essential. Natural light is always best, so try to position your nook near a window. In the evenings, a floor lamp or a table lamp with a warm bulb will create the perfect ambiance. Add a small side table to hold your books, a cup of tea, and maybe a scented candle to set the mood. Don't forget to personalize your space. Frame your favorite quotes, hang up pictures that inspire you, or add a touch of greenery with a small potted plant. Your reading nook should be your sanctuary, a place where you can relax, recharge, and let your imagination soar. Open shelves are a beautiful way to add personality and style to your home. They're like blank canvases just waiting for your creative touch. The key to styling open shelves is to strike a balance between functionality and aesthetics. Start by decluttering and organizing the items you want to display. Mix and match different heights and textures. Stack books horizontally and vertically. Use decorative boxes to store smaller items, and add in decorative objects like vases, sculptures, or even framed photographs. Don't be afraid to incorporate personal items that tell your story. Maybe it's a collection of antique teacups passed down from your grandmother, or souvenirs from your travels. These pieces add character and make your home uniquely yours. Group similar items together. For example, create a dedicated space for your favorite cookbooks, display your collection of ceramic plates, or showcase your husband's collection of vintage cameras. Leave some negative space. You don't want your shelves to look cluttered. Allowing for some breathing room will make the display more visually appealing. Remember, styling is an ongoing process. Don't be afraid to experiment, rearrange, and have fun with it. So there you have it. Simple yet effective styling tips to refresh your home and make it a true reflection of you. Remember, it's the little details, the personal touches, that make all the difference. I hope these tips inspire you to look around your home with a fresh perspective and add a little bit of your own magic to it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed these tips, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more home styling inspiration. See you next time.